Are you learning to code? Be careful. These common mistakes might be slowing you down without you even knowing. In this video, I'll show you 10 beginner mistakes you need to avoid to actually become a programmer. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Tutorial hell. Many beginners watch endless tutorials but never build anything. Remember, watching someone code isn't the same as coding. After every lesson, build a small project, even a simple one. Practice is what solidifies your learning. Tutorials are useful, but they should not replace actual hands-on coding experience. Number 2. Jumping between languages. Switching from Python to JavaScript to Java confuses you and slows your progress. Pick one language and stick to it until you are comfortable building projects. Mastery of one language builds your programming logic and thinking, which can then be easily transferred to other languages later. Number 3. Avoiding problem solving. Many beginners skip logic exercises, thinking they are too hard or unnecessary. But coding is problem solving. Solve small challenges daily to improve your thinking. Websites like LeetCode, HackerRank, or Code Wars offer beginner-friendly problems to get you started. This habit develops your algorithmic thinking over time. Number 4. The Odogu method. Yeah, copy pasting without understanding. Copying code from Stack Overflow or ChatGPT isn't wrong, but if you don't understand what the code is doing, you are not learning. Always read through it and try to explain the code to yourself. Break down each line and understand why it's written that way. This ensures that you can modify and debug it when needed. Number 5. Skipping HTML and CSS basics. Many new coders ignore HTML and CSS, thinking they are too basic or not needed. But trust me, even backend developers benefit from understanding the structure and design of web pages. These two languages form the foundation of web development, and understanding them will make learning JavaScript and frameworks easier. Number 6. Not learning Git early. Git is a tool that helps you manage your code and save your work properly. Even as a beginner, learning basic Git commands can save you from losing your project or help you collaborate with others later. You can start with simple commands like git add, git commit, and git push to manage your own code versions. Number 7. Comparing yourself to others. Yeah, this is the key point to note. On social media, you see people who seem to learn faster than you. Don't let this discourage you. Everyone learns at their own pace. They might have started a long time ago and gotten where they are now. Consistent progress is what matters. Set small achievable goals and celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Number 8. Avoiding documentation. Many beginners find official documentation boring and hard to read. But here's the truth. Documentation is the most accurate way to understand how things work. Get comfortable reading it. Start with simple documentation like Mozilla Developer Network, MDN, for web development to build your confidence. Number 9. Overusing frameworks without learning core language. For example, many beginners jump straight into React without understanding basic JavaScript. Frameworks change, but core languages last longer. So learn your fundamentals first before you move on to frameworks. Understanding your base language allows you to debug frameworks better and build more efficient applications. And finally, number 10. Thinking code must be perfect. Beginners often hesitate to write code, thinking it needs to be clean and professional. But here's a secret. Messy working code is better than no code at all. You can always improve it later. Real developers often start with raw versions and refine their work over time. So how many of these mistakes are you making? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more coding tips. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.